Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Welcome back to Gracefully EUT's channel. On this video, I'm gonna be making carrot and orange smoothie. This is very healthy for our health and we need it in our everyday life. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the video. In this recipe, we're going to be using very few ingredients. Here I have my chopped carrots, I have the orange, peeled orange, I have mandarin. Some people call it mandarin, some call it tangerine, depends on whatever you want to call it. And then we also have the mango. So these are the 4 ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Very super easy. So when you get all your ingredients ready, set, like the tangerine and the orange peeled already, then you are good to go. And you already have your carrots sliced or diced, then you are good to go. But make sure you scrape out the carrots, so before dicing or chopping it for blending. So also same applies to the mango. Make sure you peel off the back and you just chop and ready to go. So I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you, I appreciate you. And if you know you're coming across this video for your first time, or coming across my channel for your first time and you haven't subscribed, please don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button, because this channel has a lot of healthy recipes for you. It has a lot of homemade recipes for you. So click on the subscribe button, it will appear 3 bells. Click on the bell on top. That will notify you each time I upload a new video. So let's get it started. This recipe does not need any water. It is a smoothie, so it does not require any water or any liquid, because the fruits we are using have its own natural liquid. So the orange, my smoothie machine was a bit small, so I had to blend it a little bit and then add the remaining ones, the remaining orange and the remaining tangerine. Do you see how colorful and beautiful this recipe is? Do you see how colorful, naturally colorful and beautiful this smoothie is? With this smoothie, your skin is gonna be glowing. You're gonna be glowing from within. This is not a matter of glowing from outwards. This is glowing from within. If you take this every day of your life, I'm telling you, people are gonna be asking you what you're taking.
I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my time.
Fam, I think so far this is my best, or should I say my favorite smoothie. Yes, this is my favorite smoothie. I mean, I'm a smoothie lover, but this is my favorite smoothie. Even before I left camera, I almost finished it. Okay, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below in the comment section about what you think of this video. If you have any question, let's be friends on Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram handle, it's down there in my description box. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Until next video, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun.